not dried up, burned up glue. Because every time you're putting it in, you might touch one of the pellets that's inside the glue, and then it sticks to it, and you don't have time to stay and clean it right then and there. And then next time you use it, there's a second pellet, and then a third and a fifth, and then probably here we have like 3 years worth of one pallet at a time. I've used it, I tested it, the edge bender, but this is the first edge bender that we used in Montreal, and this is what we have used to open up that shop. So I think it will be a cool thing to start the shop in Austin with the same edge bender, because it is a beast of a machine. It works no problems, but it's been sitting idle for the past 4 years now. So, and right before we replaced it in the Montreal shop, as you can see, we didn't really clean it. So I guess it's just right of me to clean it first before I put it back to work. It's the machine that with glue, special glue, like edge bending glue, heat activated, applies the edge bending, and then it trims it. So that when it comes on the other side of the machine, you put at the entrance of the machine, or it goes in the machine, raw pressed wood with exposed edges, goes through the machine, comes out on the other side with finished edges, trimmed exactly to the size of the piece. Apply the glue through the glue pot, then it presses it with the rollers, then it trims the ends, then it trims top and bottom, and it ends with a buffer that buffs the freshly cut edges of the edge bending. One pass, everything is done on the other side.